guys, welcome back, and today we're going to make homemade burger. To prepare my burger, I'll be using beef fillet. I've washed it and I'm cutting it into smaller pieces. Next step, I'll add coriander powder, that is paprika, about 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to add curry powder. Next, I'm going to add soy sauce, then salt. Mix all the ingredients together and then store in the refrigerator for 30 minutes for the beef to marinate. I'm using 2 tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces and then put them aside like so. So for the next topping, I'm going to use 2 white onions. I'm cutting them into smaller pieces and then set them aside. And also I'll be showing you how I'll cook them. But before that, let's first do the cutting. So I'm gonna put them in this container and set them aside before I cook. Yeah, and these are the toppings which we'll be using: tomatoes, onions, and the lettuce. So we have our buns, we have yellow mustard and mayonnaise. You can use any brand. Yeah, let's now go to, oh, and I forgot to show you the soy sauce which I used, that the dark light one. So I'm going to get my meat from the refrigerator. Now it has been 30 minutes off. Yeah, this is the meat. It has well marinated, as you can see. So the beef fillet normally take less time to cook, like it's so easy to cook the fillet. Yeah, and these are the ingredients. Everything is here, what I'll be using for our beef burger. So our next step is to cook the fillet. I'm going to oil the pan. I'm using olive oil. I'll be cooking the fillet for around maximum 45 minutes. So I'll let one side cook for 15 minutes and then turn the other side for another 15 minutes or so. I'm gonna oil the pan and then take my white onion, put them in the pan and then cook them. I'm adding my soy sauce after a few minutes and then continue to cook. And once done, I'm going to put off the burner. To prepare the buns, I'm going to cut each bun into halves and then I'm going to spread the butter. You can use any form of spread, like you can use margarine. So here I'm using butter to spread on each side of the bun before I place the buns onto the pan. So I'm going to let the bun cook on the pan, and please don't burn yours like I did. Mine's almost burnt. I think there were a lot of, the heat was high. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Now let's go to the preparation of the burger. Ooh, so guys, I was supposed to buy the sliced cheese, but like I confused, I bought the other type of cheese, so I had to cut it and melt it aside. And then after melting it, I'm going to pour it into the buns. Here I'm adding lettuce, then the fillet, and then the tomatoes. Yeah, just follow the process. I don't think there is really a specific way to place the toppings. Just do your way. Yeah, I'm going to add the white onions and then the tomatoes. After that, I'm going to add the lettuce again and then the mayonnaise and the mustard. So I'm gonna place the lettuce again, and boom, that is it guys. And then the other side of the bun, and we have our homemade beef burger. Look at this, looks so delicious guys. My family enjoyed it, and that is it guys. What do you think about our homemade beef burger? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Much love to you all. Bye.